What meaningful change will you advocate for in our community? And how will you use your voice and influence to turn that vision into reality? If you are crowned Miss San Carlos 2025, what meaningful change will you advocate for in our community? And how will you use your voice and influence to turn that vision into reality?
One meaningful change I put in mind is love. But I have three things that I want to share with every one of you. First is love for our nation. As typhoons actually happen here in Socorro City and let us devastate that, let us be more mindful with regarding to confronting environment with protection and improvement. Second is love for our country and nation. Now is the time where I stand here to remind every one of you that we have the power to actually stand against those corrupt individuals and always hold them accountable because we deserve justice. And lastly, as a babae negro sana, I have this love for hope. A hope that has to every one of you. Because I don't just stand here alone, I stand with San Carlos City. And that is one thing that I want to use my voice for because I am committed to make my vision into an action. And by that action, I will return to my purpose, a purpose to stand with you. And for that, in San Carlos City, the people of San